In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find your Shopify store URL. Knowing your Shopify store URL is useful for a few common reasons. You may need it to share your storefront with customers, connect a sales channel, or set up an app integration. Shopify also uses two different domain types, so it helps to understand which one you need in each situation. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. Once you are on the main admin screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You will see the gear icon for settings. Click Settings to open the full list of store configuration options. Inside Settings, find and click Domains. This is where Shopify manages the web addresses connected to your store, including any custom domain you own and the default Shopify domain that comes with every store. On the Domains page, look for the section labeled Primary Domain. The URL shown here is your customer-facing store URL. This is the address you would typically share publicly, since it is what shoppers will see in their browser when they visit your storefront. If you have connected a custom domain, it will usually appear here. Take a moment to note the exact spelling of the primary domain. If you plan to copy it, copying directly from this page helps avoid small typing errors. Also, if you recently changed domains, this is the best place to confirm which one is currently set as primary. Next, stay on the same page and find the section labeled Shopify Domain. The URL listed there ends with myshopify.com. This is your internal Shopify URL. You will often use this version for logins, support, and certain app integrations, especially when a tool asks for your Shopify domain rather than your branded website address. It is important to remember the difference between these two. The primary domain is generally for customers and marketing. The Shopify domain is the built-in address used behind the scenes for your store setup and connections. Once you have located both entries, you have everything you need: your public store URL under primary domain and your internal myshopify.com URL under Shopify domain. And that is all there is to it.